Have you forgotten your Samsung phone password or want to change it for better security? Don't worry, this quick guide will walk you through the simple steps to reset or update your lock screen password on any Samsung device. First, open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. This is where all system controls are managed. Scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security or Security and Privacy, depending on your phone model. Then select Lock Screen Settings or Screen Lock Type. You will be asked to enter your current PIN, password, or pattern to continue. After verifying, you will see different lock options such as PIN, password, pattern, or biometrics. Choose your preferred option. Now enter your new password or pattern, then confirm it by typing it again. Make sure it is something secure but easy for you to remember. Once confirmed, tap Save or Done. Your new lock screen password will be activated immediately. That's it. You've successfully changed or reset your Samsung phone password. Keeping your device secured is important to protect your personal data. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others and stay tuned for more easy Android tutorials.